After experiencing an installation loop with The Sims 4, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get your game up and running smoothly. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. This includes checking your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Update Origin. Make sure that your Origin client is up to date. Open Origin, go to the Origin menu, and select Application Settings. Under the General tab, check for updates and install any available updates. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve installation issues. Close Origin, then navigate to the Origin cache folder on your computer. Delete the contents of the cache folder, then restart Origin and try installing the game again. Step 4. Repair game files. If the game is already installed but not functioning properly, use the repair feature. Open Origin, go to your game library, right-click on The Sims 4 and select Repair. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and reinstalling The Sims 4. Make sure to back up any saved games or custom content before uninstalling. After uninstalling, download and install the game again through Origin. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy playing The Sims 4. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.